Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making a velvety red pepper jelly, and we'll show you how to make it so shiny and smooth. This red pepper jelly is a traditional savory jam from the south of Italy, usually served with pecorino cheese or meat. A unique way to preserve red peppers for the winter. You only need 4 ingredients. The quantities are in the description below. Remove the seeds from the peppers and cut them into chunks. Add the sugar, the wine vinegar, hot chili if you like it spicy, as I do, and stir. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes. To find out when the jelly is ready, pour some drops on a plate. Tilt the plate, and if the juice doesn't drip, the jam is ready. Do not overcook it, otherwise it will become too hard. Many recipes at this point use the blender. The result is a rough, cloudy jam. Here instead we use a vegetable strainer, the one used to make tomato sauce. The vegetable strainer finely purees the peppers, automatically removing the peels. The result is a smooth, glossy red pepper jelly. If it's too runny, simmer for another 10 minutes. To make it even smoother, filter it through a fine mesh strainer. Pour it into sterilized jars. You can sterilize the jars in the dishwasher. Leave the jars upside down until they cool down. You can serve it immediately or store the jars for the winter. So jolly to serve with this cheese platter at Christmas. For more savory jam and jelly recipes, see the playlist above. Don't forget to subscribe. I knew you were going to steal it.